Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are hearing my voice and wherever you are hearing me from, okay? Today I want to teach you how to make 3 powerful rings. Yes, you heard me. How to make 3 powerful rings. I'm going to teach you how to make a protection ring today. I'm going to teach you how to make crowd puller ring today. And also, I'm going to teach you how to make do as I say ring on this same video. We call this combo. So this is a combo. I'm going to teach you 3 powerful rings: how to make do as I say ring, how to make protection ring against switches, also how to make a ring that you can use as do as I say. I have also made a video on this channel, a rig on how to command bees, like honey bees, right? If you are the kind of, that one is for physical protection. If you live in an area that is not safe, you need that rig. So check my videos on my channel here. You definitely see that video, how to command bees, right? You will see that on that video, once you just pack first side on the ground, blow it to the air, it will be bees everywhere, beating who those people that are attacking you. So look for that video. But on this video, I'm going to teach you a protection ring against witches and wizards. I'm going to teach you a ring for crowd puller, that's for business. I'm also going to teach you a ring that you can use as general rub and also do as I say. Okay, now starting from the protection ring. If you are the kind of person, right, you believe witches always attack you anytime you are sleeping, they must always be around there, they will come and fight you, this is what you are going to do. Get any ring of your choice, right? After you have gotten any ring of your choice, what you are going to do is that you are going to look for people that you don't know, the person that's a people that you don't know who people that people, like you don't know the person that she. It must not be your own physics. Like you are going to look for physics that you don't know anybody that people that's the owner. You don't know the owner of that, the person that defecated there, or the owner of that defecate, right? You don't know the owner, so you are going to look for it. You are going to get it anywhere, get purple, then you are going to get alligator pepper. Then that ring you want to make use of, burn the ring and the alligator pepper. The ring, the alligator pepper, and that purple, burn the three together. After you have burned the three together with the ring along with it, then that ring, anytime you want to sleep, just put on that ring and sleep. That is it. Meanwhile, this does not have any effect on that person that put that, that's the person, that's the owner of the physics, right? This does not have any effect on that person. Okay, so this is a ring that will help you that can protect you from witches and wizards. Like once they come and attack you, they will not be able to get to you. They will not be able to get to you. Another thing you can do with that same thing that you have bound together is, yes, it might look irritating, but some things that irritate you physically are powerful physically. So you can just mark 7 here, 7 here, 7 here, 7 here. That's from the powder that remain, right? You can mark it 7, 7, 7. Do this, you must come back and tell me. It's simple. See, seeing this thing, I'm just teaching you for free. I have did it for someone which is popular, very, very much popular. And the person sees the result. Believe me, the person gifted me millions for this. At this, I'm just sharing you here for free. And people might not appreciate it. So if you think I'm doing well, please like the video. Liking this video will help YouTube to push it to more people to see it. And which in return will also help other people that might need this video to see it, and which in return you are also helping my channel to grow. So don't wait to like this video, and whatever you think, let me know in the comment section. So that is a very simple way to make a very powerful ring that can protect you from witches and wizards by special grace of Almighty God. Rekeke Makasuprebo. That is number one. The another thing I want to teach you is that a crown puller ring, yes, how to make a powerful crown puller ring. If you are the kind of person, you are doing business and you notice that your business is not moving very well, or you want anytime you're at your business place, anywhere you are, even if it's not at your business place, as long as you are putting on this ring, right? Anywhere you are, whether you're at somebody's shop, once you are there, within 7 to 14 minutes, people will stand pushing in to come and buy this from there. Immediately you leave that place, it stops. So anywhere you are, it's a draw customer there. So what you are going to do is that you are going to need the head of a chameleon. Get the head of a chameleon. One, you are going to need a cowrie. You are going to need 1 cowrie. So that head of a chameleon, you are going to open the mouth, put the cowrie inside, then put the ring you want to use inside the mouth of the chameleon. Then you are going to get a 7 series of alligator plate, put everything inside the mouth of that chameleon. Then get a pot, Put everything in a pot. Cover it. Let everything burn to ash. You will not open it. Once everything has burned to ash, okay. Once everything has burned to ash, then that substance that have burned to ash, you pack it and look for a small container. Pack everything with the ring inside the small container. Leave the ring there for 7 days. After I've leave the rig there for 7 days, then anytime I go for your business place, you remove it up, wear it, go to your business place, pray on it how you want it to be. Wear it on any of your finger, but my favorite finger is the middle finger. Okay, so pray on it how you want everything to be, how you want your business place to move that day. Then when you are done praying on it, then that's when then you go to your business place, right? Then when you are back from your business place, or any day you are not using it, that container that you have packed that substance, that is the house of that rig. That is where you will always be keeping that rig. You always keep that rig inside that container. Anytime you want to renew, that is the powerhouse of that container. You are not allowed water to touch it. But when water touch it, or any external thing touch it, or you are wearing it and you have access to renew it, that is where you keep it back. But if you have access to it while wearing it, without knowing, you are going to use 7 seed of alligator, choose 7 seed of alligator pen, chew it and blow it on the say activate it, then you now keep it in this house. So by doing this, you notice how customer will be coming. And while you are burning this, another thing you can do to also make this powerful, especially if you are the kind of person that do things that has to do with services, get 14 corn, right? Corn, 7 seed of maize, 14 seed of maize. Get it and also add it to the pot you are burning everything. Burn everything together. You will come and testify to this. Who there is also, where there is God, everything is 100% possible. That is how to make a powerful ring. Now, I don't like to see your time. I just like go straight to the point. My videos are short. I don't like talking too much. If you still find this video helpful so far, why don't you just like the video? Like now, and do not remove one error from your body. Just like the video. Okay? Now, the third one I'm going to teach you is that I'm going to teach you how to make do as I say. People will abuse this one, do as I say. Especially men, they will abuse it. Instead of the do as I say, I'm going to teach you how to make a powerful love ring, general love ring. I wanted to teach you that do as I say, but my spirit said no. So I'm going to teach you how to make a powerful love ring. Like this ring will make generally people to like you, will make people to want to do business with you, will make people to want to favor you. What you have to understand is that there are some people that will come to you and you see them, you don't even like happy them. You don't even feel like happy them. Maybe somebody might come to ask you for 10 naira now, you don't feel like giving that person. But another person will come and ask you for 100 naira and you would love to give that person. So that is its energy. Okay, so this I'm going to teach you will make people to love you in your workplace, anywhere you find yourself. People will see you like how some in outside they call it fari jimmy and something like that. So what you are going to need for the particular one, you are going to get any ring of your choice. After you have gotten any ring of your choice, you are going to get flower, any red flower, any type of flower at all. As long as the flower is red, get red flower. 7 to 14 red flower. You can use 7, you can use 14, you can use 21. Any number that cannot be divided by let me say 7, 14, 21. So those are the 3 numbers you need to get. 7, 14, 21. Okay, so you get this number. After you have gotten this number of flower, then you are going to get pepper, dry slim pepper. Yes, I'm going to get pepper. You get pepper, you get 7 flowers, then pepper, flower. You are going to get honey. Yes, original honey. You are going to get original honey. Then you are going to get Danduala perfume. You are going to get Danduala perfume. Let me mention them again. You are going to get flowers 7, 14, or 21. You are going to get the ring you are going to use. You are going to get dry pepper. You are going to get honey. Right? You are going to get honey. Then you are going to need a cock. You heard me right, a cock. We are adding a cock. That is, if you are doing it to be famous, like what? If you are like a musician, like you are doing something like you want to be famous. Okay. If you are doing something and you want to be famous, okay, that is when you add this cock. But for general love, like you're not doing something, maybe you're not too famous, just for general love, you don't need the cock. All you just need is the honey. You need the ring, you need the 7 flowers, and you need the pepper, the 7 pepper, and the last ingredients. I don't want to add that famous one. If you want that one, contact me. Then you are going to need 7 flies, house flies. You are going to need 7 house flies. Now, let me measure that for the last time. You are going to need the ring you are going to use. Definitely, you are going to need I'm not old, I'm doing like old man. I'm just kidding, I just want to make you laugh. You are going to need honey, right? You are going to need pepper. You are going to need the ring you are going to use. Okay? You are going to need 7 flies. You are going to need honey. You are going to need pepper, dry pepper. 7 is okay. And the flies you are going to get, 7 is okay. You are going to need 1 bunch of alligator pepper. You are going to burn all those items I just mentioned now. Burn them together with the ring. After you have burned them together with the ring, pack them, put them. If it is 7 ring, you bond them together with, and you want to do it for people. So anybody you are giving that ring to, you fetch from that substance and give to that person. So that is where the thing will be sleeping. That's it will be sleeping on. That's the ring will be sleeping on that container you have given them. That is where the ring will be sleeping. Okay, so the person will wear it on any of the figure of the person's choice. Once you wear it there, the dandruala perfume you are going to use, you are not burning them together. But if you like, you can add some 7 drop of it to it. The honey you are adding it, but the dandruala, if you like, you can add it a little. But if you like, don't add it. But anytime you want to use it, or once in a week, you are going to add a drop of that dandruala to that ring. Okay, you add a drop of that dandruala to that ring. You just put it on the sun. Everything just 3 minutes. Put on the sun, just 3 minutes. Then you use it. This will help to make it more active always. So this is how to make a powerful ring, general for general love. Have you guys need that one for famous to be popular in anything you do? Let me know in the comment section. The more comment I will get, I will know definitely if I'm going to make a video on that for you. Who the Zozo? Where there is God, everything is possible. I have to go for now. See you guys in the next video. Sure to join my WhatsApp group for free. Let me know in the comment section. I will add you to my WhatsApp group for free. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel so that you can clip see this. Should I say handsome face or ugly face? Anyone you think it is, subscribe.